Audi 2023 Q5. How to replace the front brake pad is quite, is the one was there, is quite big brake pad. First you have to take it out. This pin is go through of the both pad like this. You can tap it here and take it out, and same as normal, if you have to, you can do it once you take off the caliper. Otherwise you have to pull it back both side piston before you take off the caliper. Then two screw in here, this one number 22 or 20, yeah, no, to number 21. Take off this two and take out the caliper. Then you can change the brake pad similar to other one. Quite big, but don't worry, it's quite similar to other one. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and thumbs up. Thank you.